Have you ever wondered how to keep your precious crypto assets safe from hackers and thieves? Well, that's where hardware wallets come into play. Think of them as the Fort Knox of the crypto world, the vaults that keep your digital treasures secure. Today, we have a special treat for you. We're diving into the world of crypto hardware wallets. But fear not, we'll be your trusty guide. Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by and seeing us here at Crypto Bookworm. If you're into all things cryptocurrency, you've come to the right place. Our goal is to keep you up to date on the latest and greatest in the world of digital currency and assets. Take it from us, it is a wild ride. So buckle up and join us as we dive into the exciting world of crypto. We're gonna have some fun and learn how to stay ahead of the game together. With that said, let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you need to know is that not all hardware wallets are created equal. It's like comparing a flimsy lockbox to a state-of-the-art bank vault. Today, we'll be focusing on the creme de la creme of hardware wallets, the Ledger Nano X, Trezor Model T, and KeepKey. So first off, let's cover our personal favorite, the Ledger Nano X. Housing over 1,300 crypto assets and tokens, the Nano X is in fact Noah's Ark for cryptos. No matter your choice of digital currency, it's got you covered. And with Ledger's robust technical support, both in-box and online, you're never left in the dark. What sets the Nano X apart? Think bigger, bolder, and better. Its secure Bluetooth functionality makes it a breeze to use, outshining its predecessor, the Nano S. And with a larger screen, it's easier on the eyes too. Storage? The Nano X is like a digital warehouse, capable of storing up to 100 apps. Imagine having all your crypto assets in one place. Talk about convenience. And when it comes to safety, it's a digital fortress. The Nano X's ultra-secure chip technology makes it one of the safest havens for crypto on Earth. Ledger's proprietary operating system, Bolos, sets the stage for this hardware wallet. Your private keys are cocooned inside the device on an ultra-secure chip. For access, a PIN is your secret handshake. All wallet transactions and changes require a tactile affirmation, a press on the device's physical buttons. Want an extra layer of protection? The Nano X offers a passphrase feature, creating a hidden account on the wallet. Even if your PIN gets compromised, your secret stash remains untouched. And for the cherry on top, the Nano X deploys a 24-word recovery phrase, doubling down on the standard 12-word phrase used by most software wallets. It's like a cryptographic force field, making your assets virtually unassailable. Now, before we dive right into the Trezor Model T, if you've enjoyed this topic so far and would like to support our work, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us continue creating engaging and informative content, and we appreciate every subscriber who helps promote our hard work. With that being said, let's get right into the Trezor Model T, the Iron Man of hardware wallets. Just like Tony Stark's suit, the Trezor Model T combines style with exceptional security. It's the perfect fusion of convenience and protection. Get ready to see why this wallet is a force to be reckoned with. Remember the thrill of keeping secrets in your locked diary as a child? The Trezor Model T brings that sense of security to the digital age, becoming a fortress for your cryptocurrencies. Its intuitive interface is so user-friendly, even grandma can become a crypto whiz. Perfect for crypto newcomers, the Trezor Model T simplifies the setup process and lets you buy and trade assets directly within its application. This all-in-one functionality, a rare find in its Ledger counterpart and other wallets, eliminates the need to register with an exchange, making your first crypto purchase a breeze. Its easy access, effortless setup, and stellar security, however, come with a high price tag. But the peace of mind it brings, knowing your keys are securely stored offline, is priceless. This sense of security is additionally strengthened by a PIN and physical button confirmation for all transactions and changes. But the Trezor Model T doesn't stop there. It offers an additional passphrase feature, creating a separate account within the wallet for enhanced security. Even if your PIN gets compromised, your passphrase protected assets remain untouched. It also steps up the game with a 24-word recovery phrase, doubling the typical 12-word phrase used in most wallets, making it even harder for your assets to be compromised. To gain a comprehensive understanding of crypto wallet security, make sure to subscribe to our channel. You won't want to miss our new video, Crypto Wallet Security, a complete guide. Beyond cryptocurrencies, the Trezor Model T serves as a hardware security token, compatible with Universal Second Factor, UTF, securing your logins on Google and Dropbox. Plus, it offers FIDO2 authentication, letting you log into supported sites and services without a password. Your Trezor Model T becomes your authenticator, combining security and convenience in one package. In a nutshell, the Trezor Model T isn't just a crypto wallet, it's a holistic digital shield for your digital life. And now let's dive into the final topic, KeepKey. Imagine KeepKey as your personal mythical beast, safeguarding your crypto treasure. It breathes digital fire on any cybervillain daring to approach your assets. Intrigued? Let's uncover the sorcery behind KeepKey, a crowd favorite in the crypto realm. KeepKey's crowning glory is its role as a hardware wallet. It offers a fortress-like defense as your private keys never interact with your online device during crypto transactions. This isolation wards off remote attackers hungry for your crypto keys, offering a safety net not seen in software-only wallets. But KeepKey isn't just about security. It supports a vast universe of over 7,000 digital assets across 350 blockchains, letting you send, receive, and store dozens of the leading tokens and coins. It's a miniature crypto cosmos in your pocket. KeepKey makes managing your digital assets a breeze with its easy-to-read display. It shows all the details of your crypto transactions clearly, and each one needs your approval, giving you full control. If you ever lose or damage your KeepKey, no worries. It comes with a unique 12-word recovery phrase. You can use this phrase to get back your private keys, ensuring your digital assets are always safe. Exchanging cryptocurrencies is fast and easy with KeepKey. It uses Thorchain, a technology that lets you swap cryptos right from your wallet. Also, KeepKey has its own app that makes building your own crypto apps simpler. No advanced tech skills needed. While Trezor and Ledger may be kings in the hardware kingdom, KeepKey, with its similar architecture to Trezor, is a strong contender. It further distinguishes itself with PIN and passphrase protection, customizable transaction speeds, and the capability to generate limitless wallet addresses on a single device. So gear up with KeepKey, your reliable crypto comrade, and navigate the crypto cosmos with confidence and peace of mind. Well, that's it for this video. However, as we end this video, we have a strange favor to ask. We are trying to grow our TikTok account as a way to reach new people and introduce them to the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Our videos feature news highlights that cover the latest developments in the space. We would greatly appreciate it if you could check out our account by clicking on the link in our banner or searching for @crypto_bookworm on TikTok. By teaming up, we can spread the word about all the incredible advancements in the crypto space. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Until next time.